a vision review. When you have a child with neuromuscular issues, you really have to work on all muscles and the eyes. Anytime you see glitches in movement, I go to the eyes first. It's what I do. It's the most reliable source. So this is for Twana. So one of the things you're looking at, so the convergence is weak. He can stay at attention, but again, what you're looking for at this stage, sorry, I'm just grabbing an object, right, is the convergence should look like this, where the eyes come in, but also when you go back out, and you want to keep this nice and smooth, where the eyes go back out, right? And so you're seeing where he's looking at you, kind of thing, but you're really not seeing the convergence, right? And that's where, again, do we need eyeglasses? That has to be through an ophthalmologist. When you're going back and forth, you're either seeing a hard midline crossing going over to the right, or again, where again, he can follow track towards the left, but coming back, he'll either blink off for a midline and then come back and find it, or if his eyes are open right about here, he glitches out. So he has a pretty hard midline break on the right side. And one of the things that I'll do too is when I'm coming across, right, and I pick it up versus just going back and forth. So the vision is weak in the right, and then the convergence is weak. So we have to know, again, his directionality of where the vision's at, but that's where you're going to do for him to work on. I would do light patching on both eyes to see where both eyes want to see, right? And the reason patching is nice too, because it gives the brain the comparison of better vision, which we all have. I mean, I'm right eye dominant. You know, people have a dominant eye and the way that the eye works, and that's what you want to look at. Thanks.